Welcome to Kings, A Magical White Christmas 2025.
Palakpakan ng Kings Cooperative!
Welcome again. This is another successful years through the effort of our team. Then, I think success is not a final. So we need again to explore our innovation just to face the reality this coming year. And again, since this is the day to recognize your effort, I just want lang to extend a Merry Christmas to all.
We all know na yung 2025 is talagang mahirap. Lahat tayo. But because of your hard work, lahat naman kayo nagpursige at nagsipag this year. So nalagpasan natin yung hirap na yon. And for next year, syempre, inaipa din natin yung magandang pagsasamahan natin. Syempre, yung growth ng business para hindi lang kami ang aangat and kasama kayo lahat doon. So, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you.
Hope you will enjoy this event and Merry Christmas. Kings for all for kings.
Mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. And it's good to see everyone. Kayo pong lahat ang lakas at puso ng kumpanya. Totoo yan. Kayo ang lakas at puso ng kumpanya. Nakikita nyo mga yan, hindi gagalaw yan. Hindi magiging produkto yan kung wala kayo. So you are very important. And I hope yung request lang din namin is manatili kayong tapat, masipag, may malasakit for all of us. Sabi nga ng pari nung isang araw, there is no substitute for hard and honest work. And that is the opportunity we are providing. SCPA, Kings are providing for everyone. I hope you put value into it, and I hope you are able to share the positivity and the goodness that we have in our hearts with the people around you and with your families. So with that, Merry Christmas sa ating lahat and Happy New Year. Maraming salamat and God bless everyone.